Imagine your clothes fall into mud. They are dirty. You cannot wear them outside like this. If you wear dirty clothes, people will ask questions. So you must clean them first. You put the dirty clothes into a washing machine. After some time, they come out clean. Money laundering is the same idea, but instead of dirty clothes, it is dirty money. Dirty money is money earned in a wrong way, like stealing, cheating, or selling illegal things. Just like dirty clothes, dirty money cannot be used freely. People will ask, where did this money come from? So criminals try to wash the money, not with water, but using shops, businesses, and fake deals. Imagine a shop that sells very little, but it shows big sales on paper. Dirty money is mixed with shop money. Now it looks clean. Now the money looks normal. It can be used to buy houses, cars, or businesses. Money laundering helps bad people hide their crimes. That's why governments try to stop it. Money laundering means making dirty money look clean, just like washing dirty clothes. If you understand this example, you understand money laundering.